Hello.
Hi.
My name is Stanley.
I'm Margaret.
Wow. What a lovely name for a lovely lady.
Oh, thank you.
No, I should be the one thanking you for blessing my sight with your heavenly look this morning. Do you live in this compound?
Solomon is my elder brother.
Which Solomon?
The same Solomon that lives in this compound.
It's like really no balance. So.
How do you mean?
I'm only just wondering why such a beautiful lady like you would be related to someone like Solomon.
Are you trying to call my brother ugly?
No. But you see, you're too pretty. I mean, you should be in heaven by now, singing with the angels.
And now you go first die. Now you go day heaven, singing with the angels. Now you go die before your time. What's the meaning of that rubbish?
Solomon, why are you wishing me dead?
No be you first they curse my sister, say she go die and go and be with angels.
I was only complimenting her beauty, Solomon.
Compliment, kill you there. Compliment, kill you there. And you, somebody is here, bad-mouthing you, sending you to an early grave with his mouth. And you are there, shaking things, accepting compliment.
It was an harmless compliment.
And I will give you an armless slap if you don't get inside this minute. Carry the towel. Let me see. Wait till you dey look. I hope say you don't write your will.
Will for what now?
With the way you are looking at my sister, I can assure you it will not be long before you go and join your ancestors.
But Solo, come on now. You know say you no go fit marry your sister.
Thank you. How is it your business?
See, the moment I first saw her, my heart started skipping rapidly. So, there's nothing you can do, Solo.
Now, symptoms of heart attack be that. You should go and see a doctor. Nonsense. Thank God say I come outside, come fetch water.
Heart attack?
Soul attack.
Would they give them adventure? And it's crazy by nature. It's a funny creature.
Jacob!
Hi. Hi, Margaret.
Hello, Stanley.
I've been on the lookout for you since yesterday. And I couldn't come in because I know Solo is in. You know he's too protective.
So you stood outside here waiting and willing to see me?
Is that not what love can make someone to do?
Wow.
See, I would really like to get to know you better. Is it possible we go somewhere to talk?
No, you cannot go somewhere to talk anything. Leave my sister alone, Mr. Man.
Solo, but we were just talking. We were just talking.
Talking about what?
Ask her now. I wanted to invite her for our church revival. Is it not true?
She's a Muslim.
Muslim care.
Yes.
But you're a Christian now, Solo.
I'm the only Christian in our family. You, get inside right now.
But Solo, why are you acting like enemy of progress, Solo? Why?
If you want to speak to my sister, you have to come through me first and settle me.
Settle you for what now, Solo?
It's called money for door knocking.
Which door?
The door to her heart.
Solo, but this guy is not a baby now. This guy is not a baby.
Look, she remains my baby sister. And I'm the one training her in school. Any man who wants to go to her has to come through me and settle me first.
Solo?
Yes?
Solo?
Yes?
Solo?
I asked for money, not voice.
See, let me tell you something, I will not settle you. And I will mingle with your sister. There is nothing you can do.
Okay. I wish you good luck. Mingle with her.
We shall see.
See, we shall.
We shall see, Solo.
You shall see.
You will see. We shall see.
Jobless man. Jacob,
jobless
yes, man, where is he?
Would they give them adventure? Solo. And it's crazy by nature. Solo. It's a funny creature. Solo. Solo na colo.
Hi, Margaret.
Hi.
I knew you would pass, so I came to wait for you. You see, that your foolish brother does not know that nothing can stop a man that is in love.
I will advise you don't insult my brother.
Sorry. Is it possible we go somewhere nice to talk better?
Really?
Yes.
But my brother will not like that.
Does he have to know? He doesn't have to know. If he asks why you are home late, just tell him traffic. Yes, that there's no Lagos and traffic. That there was traffic and you couldn't come home early.
So why don't you tell him that yourself?
Is he here? I don't understand.
Well, he's right behind you.
How did he get here?
I have no idea.
Mr. Man, this is the last time I will warn you with my mouth. The next time it will be with a bottle on your head. Leave my sister alone.
How about now, Solo? It's not that serious.
It is very serious. Settle me first or leave my sister alone. You cannot mingle with my sister without settling me.
Solo,
Yes?
all the ladies that you have mingled with all your life, did you settle their brothers?
That's because they did not ask. Me, I have asked. Now you need to give me. Ask and it shall be given. I have asked, give me. Or leave my sister alone.
How did you even get here, Solo? How did you even know we were here?
That's because I put a tracker on my sister that alerts me anytime you get close to her.
Solo tracker.
Yes, because you are a devourer. Get out of my way. Nonsense.
I'm trying to think what I did to this boy. So what did I do to Solo?
Who they give them adventure? Solo, and it's crazy by nature. Solo, is a funny
Solo, my God.
How did you get in?
Solo, my God.
This girl will not be locking the door.
Solo.
What is it? Why are you shouting my name?
Be calming down, Solo. Be
What
calming
is it?
down. Solo. It's a good day today. Solo, my God. Solo, my God. You see, Solo, this life, you see, Solo. 3, 4, 5.
This one that you brought hot drink and cola nuts to my house. What is going on here? Are you trying to set up a shrine in my living room?
Solo. They say he who brings cola nut brings life.
I have life and I don't need your cola nuts. Bye-bye.
No, Solo, it has not become me down. Solo.
What is becoming down? If you add red cloth, palm oil and calabash to this thing, no be shrine with that. What's all this?
Solo.
He who brings cola nut brings life. Am I dead?
Solo, I have only come to let you understand and register my interest, in your sister, Margaret. So that's why I brought all this to let you understand that I have good intentions.
That's why you brought the items.
Yes, the items. Yes. So
These items are okay. I hope it's today drink, and this cola nut is today's own.
I just ordered for it.
I hope you bought it offline because I don't like online cola.
It's offline. It's offline. I can get you more. I can even bring 28.
No, it's fine. I don't want.
Solo, my God.
I'm not a god. Well, you have done well.
Solo, my God.
You have done well.
I've done well.
You have done a little bit well.
Margaret.
But these items you have brought, they are not enough. These items are just to knock the door. They cannot allow you gain entrance into the door.
Solo. Okay, I can get more drinks and I can even get like 1,000 cola nuts.
You don't have to get more drinks. Do you want to hide the gods? I don't want drinks. You have to add money to it.
Money?
Yes, money.
Okay, how much? Money no be problem. How much?
300,000 naira.
300,000 naira? For what?
To enter inside the door.
Which door now? Is the door made of iron?
It's not made of iron. It is because I even like you, or because you are my neighbor. If not, I would have increased it.
So low down, let me pay 20k.
You are mad. You must be crazy. You must be very crazy. How much is mosquito net door that you want to pay 20,000 naira to gain entrance into the door? You didn't even slash it by half.
Okay, Solo, let me pay 100,000 naira. I will give you 50k now. So when you convince your sister to come to the apartment.
No, me, I'm not selling my sister instrumentally. Or it's not instrumental payment.
See, I could have given you the whole money, but let me just see her in my apartment. Before anything, I will transfer the remaining one.
No problem. So how much are you paying now?
I'm paying 50,000 naira now. I will transfer it to your account number
problem,
now.
do it.
Send me, give me your account number. Solo, if this is this easy, I would have started with this now.
It's okay. Don't
Solo, you see, with the way you were disturbing me, I knew it will end in praise. Solo, my in-law. Solo, my in-law. See.
Mr. Man, you are talking too much. Transfer.
Okay.
Thank you.
Done. Do you receive alert?
I of course I receive alert.
So when should I be expecting?
You just go to your apartment. I will let her know. We'll bring our things and
Solo, my guy.
later, my guy. Take care of yourself.
Who they give them adventure? Solo, and it's crazy by nature. Solo, is a funny creature. Solo, Solo na Colo. Extreme with the comedy. Solo, laughter we get remedy. Solo, show you feeling the melody.
Why are you packing my things?
Why won't I pack your things? You are going back to school now. I've gotten 40k out of the 50k that you asked for.
How did you get the 40k?
What's your business with that? All I know is that I'm doing my duty as an elder brother and you need to go back to school now. I'll transfer the money and send the balance when I get it. How do you zip this one? Come and zip it and then get a nylon or whatever and be packing the rest.
I don't have any other.
Check there and see if you forgot anything.
I don't have any other things.
His book we sent you to school to go and read. Make sure you face your book and not boys or men. Yes?
My future wife.
Who is your future wife?
What is happening? Solo,
Nothing is happening. What are you doing here?
where are you going to with your bag?
I'm going back to school.
You think say they wise?
Which school?
University of Calabar.
Solo,
Yes.
off our agreement now.
I'm sorry. Our agreement did not work.
What do you mean it did not work?
It did not work. You have to try again later or go elsewhere. It did not work and it cannot work.
Am I dreaming?
Yes.
Solo, our agreement did not work.
It did not work. My dear, go inside. Even if it's raining cat and dog, she will stay here and go in the morning.
So what is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me.
I brought drinks. I brought cola nut.
Eh.
And now it's raining.
Yes.
This is the right time for her to be in my apartment, not the right time for her to go to school.
Are a mumu man.
Your application has been denied.
Denied by who, Solo?
By the gods.
The God must be crazy, Solo.
My brother, don't kill yourself. Don't kill yourself. Apply elsewhere. Eh?
Don't tell me don't kill yourself. It's raining. It's raining, Solo.
It's raining. You two go and rain alone. You know what to do alone.
I brought cola nut.
Thank you. The same cola nut that I used to drink Gary in the afternoon. It was very crunchy. Thank you.
Solo, see. You will give me back my money. You will give me back my money, Solo. You will give me back my money.
My brother, don't kill yourself. I'm warning you. When you apply for a visa to the embassy, when they deny you, do they give you back your money?
No, what's the business with visa and your sister coming to my apartment?
Your visa to my sister or into my sister has been denied. Please go back home and try another country.
So let me tell you, it seems you don't know that I'm a corporate madman because I'm dressed like this.
Really? I didn't know. Even you, take, this is my card. I'm equally a corporate madman. So in case you have any business, joint collaboration, call me, we can do it together.
You even have a card
Yes,
for madness.
exactly, corporately.
Solo? Solo?
Ah!
Solo?
Calm down, it's only,
No!
it's only cola, no?
No, what do you mean cola nut?
It was
Solo, it's raining.
Who they give them adventure? Solo, and it's crazy by nature. Colo, is a funny creature. Solo, Solo na Colo. Extreme with the comedy. Solo, laughter we get remedy. Colo, show you feeling the melody. Solo.